Wine country isn't just for sipping, it's for seeing. Today, we're taking you on a journey through 4 extraordinary wineries in Napa and Sonoma, where the wine is as beautiful as the art on display. Whether you're an art lover, a wine enthusiast, or just someone looking for an unforgettable experience, this tour is for you. And oh, don't forget to subscribe and like if you enjoy this kind of adventure. First stop, Hess Persson Estates. Nestled high on Mount Vida, this winery is home to one of the most renowned contemporary art collections in the country. Founder Donald Hess began collecting art in the 1960s, and his passion is on full display here. Step into the on-site gallery and you'll encounter bold conceptual works by Francis Bacon, Anselm Kiefer and Gerhard Richter, among others. The space is quiet, reflective and free to explore with a tasting, making it a must-see for serious art lovers. Next, we head to Hall Wines in St Helena, a vibrant fusion of expressive architecture and eclectic contemporary art. With over 35 pieces on display across the estate, Hall is playful and thought-provoking. The star of the show? A 35-foot stainless steel rabbit called Bunny Fufu, a favourite for both art buffs and Instagrammers. Inside, curated works reflect owner Catherine Hall's lifelong commitment to the arts. It's a celebration of creativity, sustainability and bold Cabernet. In Carneros, you'll find Artesa, one of the most visually striking wineries in all of Napa Valley. Designed to blend into the hills, the building itself is a work of art. Inside, the gallery space features rotating exhibitions by contemporary artists, and the outdoor sculptures echo the modern design of the estate. The views, absolutely unmatched. Artesa's aesthetic is clean, refined and minimalist, creating a perfect backdrop for their crisp, cool climate wines. And finally, Donum Estate. This Sonoma gem is home to one of the largest private sculpture collections in the world. Over 50 large-scale works are integrated into the landscape, including pieces by Ai Weiwei, Yayoi Kusama, Keith Haring and Tracy Emin. Every step you take brings you face-to-face with globally significant art. Here, the wine tasting is immersive, served in sleek modern spaces surrounded by rolling vineyards and open-air galleries. It's a place where art, wine and the land itself come together in perfect harmony. These wineries prove that wine country is more than just tastings. It's a cultural experience. So whether you're planning a trip or just dreaming of one, keep these stops on your list. Art, wine, and unforgettable views await. Subscribe for more wine and travel inspiration, and yes, visit Wine Nation Tours for your next boutique, fully personalized experience.